Hi, this is MJ underscore photography here, and I will be showing you how to do a more sort of I don't know how to word this, like slightly harder version of the Galaxy Spiral by just sort of like on here. So at the moment it's basically the same as your one, but I'm doing a more spins on this because the last one looked more like an S, which is easy for like a beginner, but this is sort of like more sort of harder. So with this one I am still going to use the Galaxy, but I'm switching to this pen, or I might go with this one and turn the opacity down. I think that's how you say it. Words will sound the same to me. Set, and then we're going to go for a sort of more bluish colour. You can actually choose the colours and sort of with the dials like this and then like move it like that, but just for simplicity's sake I'm going to stick with this one, and then you sort of just follow it around like that. And if you are creative enough, you can actually use the circles on here to sort of measure up and trace, and I might actually do one of those for my next tutorials to see how that works. I didn't need to click on the rubber. Then for this one I'm going to switch over to the star pen. Where is it? Okay, that is not that one I needed. It's that one, yes. We are going to keep those, and then as like a colour difference, we'll do them in the darker purple, which does with. There is a way of trying to work out how you fill them. As I have done it in the past. I think the easiest way to do it is if you go into here and pick fill. And then you can just sort of. I'm also going to show you a cheap way of adding like other stars on instead of drawing them on yourself. So once it gets to this, like you can take and confirm that, and then you can go into brushes, and this is like I find like a really easy way of like adding sort of more of the sort of this type stars, and then like just zoom in and just like dot them along here. I use these just because they look more sort of like realistic than if I tried to draw them. And this is like a pen in that's easy to get. And then there's like several different ones. So there's like this one which does, so you can just do that just to add the effect. There's bubbles and different stars, and there's also this one which also I've used on several different things just to add like a sort of spacey bit around the stars. And there we go, that is a sort of more sort of in-depth version of how to do a galaxy spiral.